Well, guess we're not fishing today. Too windy. Alright, y'all. So, it says right now, the weather app says that it's 38 degrees with northwest winds 15 to 20 mile an hour with gusts up to 30. I'm not going fishing today. Hopefully this afternoon it'll calm down a little bit and I might go this afternoon. Alright, y'all. I'm at the pond. I'm not going fishing today.
I'm not going fishing today.
And I decided to come fishing. I'm not gonna be here super long unless I'm catching fish, but maybe a couple hours. I don't know. It is super windy. I mean, super windy. Still like 30 mile an hour gusts and stuff, but I'm out here fishing and I just caught a bluegill. Here's that clip. Alright, y'all. I don't have my head cam, so this footage is gonna suck. I just caught this bluegill on a jerkbait, and it is super windy. Alright, y'all. Oh. Y'all can kind of see me. I got this camera on for a little bit, just for a minute, just so, I don't know, I have some cool footage, I guess. See how that is. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, y'all. I can't catch any fish like usual, but might as well do something entertaining for y'all. So, roll the B-roll. Alright, y'all. We didn't catch anything. My gosh, a stupid bug in my eye. But anyways, didn't catch anything except for that bluegill in the first like 5 minutes. And I caught him on the jerkbait. And yeah, this was a pretty crappy video. Yeah, I'm gonna head home and go eat something. Sorry this video is so horrible. Hopefully the next video will be hopefully better. But when I get the GoPro, it's gonna be way better. The quality is gonna go from down here to way up here where y'all can't even see. It's gonna be crazy. But that's when I get a GoPro. So, alright, I'm going home. I will see y'all later. Peace.